And this is how it started. I got some topsoil and leveled the entire yard. I then spread some grass seeds. It started raining heavily. I wasn't able to use the seeding straw in time. I was worried the rain would wash away all the grass seeds. It was time to call it a day and hope for the best. 7 days later. It's starting to look good.
So I've been struggling to water the entire lawn, and I have all these sprinklers all over the place. And then I constantly have to be moving it around to try to get everything watered down. So today I'm gonna try something different. I went to Harbor Freight and I got a sprinkler water pump, and we'll see what happens when we connect it. I also got some new sprinkler heads, or some sprinklers on the tripod, and we'll see how that works when we connect everything together. Here in Northeast Pennsylvania, we have a lot of deer, and most nights they sleep on the lawn. And if you look, there's deer crab here. See, I spread the seeds where there was a little bit of grass, and I used the grass straws to cover the seed, so that way it could soak in the water really good, and hopefully the grass seeds grow quick. If you look, I got the sprinklers down here. I have hose all over the place.
Excuse me.
There's some more deer crab. I think it's gonna look good. If you look over here, we still have a lot of stones here. What I'm gonna have to do is scrape up this spot, pick up most of the rocks, get some topsoil, cover this spot really good, and then spread some more grass seeds. Try to pull most of these rocks out. Eventually I'm gonna do these over, get rid of those rocks, get some nice retaining wall bricks, and do these over. For the past few weeks I've been using this Orbit sprinkler, and I mean, it works great. It has a lot of different features. You have a shower option, you have a vertical, flat, you have large, medium, and small. And today I went to Lowe's and I got this Orbit tripod sprinkler. And I did some research, and I also looked up some YouTube videos, and these look like they work pretty good, and it kind of spreads the water out a little further. So I actually got 2 of them, and hopefully that's all I'm gonna need to be able to water the entire yard. I forgot to mention that these Orbit tripod sprinklers, They have adjustable legs, so you could adjust the height you want. And it has two parts, this lower part and this upper part. You could adjust it for whatever height you want. Along with the 2 Orbit tripod sprinklers, I also got the Drummond sprinkler pump from Harbor Freight. It was about $140.
You better pump that water, Drummond.
It has, I think, 1 horsepower, and it's made for irrigation, lawn sprinkling, and clear water transfer. And let's see, right here, 1 horsepower sprinkler pump, and we're gonna give that a try and see how that works with the 2 tripod sprinklers I got. I also got this hose faucet manifold. It has 1 input and 4 outputs. So right now I have 2 tripods. I'm gonna use these 2 in the middle here. These 2, I'm gonna close them, and we're gonna see how that works. This is what it looks like out of the box. Used for irrigation, lawn sprinkling, and water transfer only. Do not use for pond, till pump, and drain completely after use. All right, brand new pump, nice and shiny. All right, so this one is the inlet, and this is the outlet. So we're gonna connect the hose from the pipe here, and this one here is gonna connect to the faucet manifold, and then we're gonna connect the hose to them. This is the primer. I guess you open this up and you fill this little tank here of water before you start up the pump. You got a power switch here, and you got about 6 feet of cable. So we're gonna connect everything, and we're gonna see how it works. So I run into a little bit of a problem here, because for the water pump, the inlet of the water pump is a 3/4 adapter. And if you look at the end of the hose, it is also a 3/4. So the hose comes out of the pipe, connects into the inlet of the water pump, but they're both the same. So what I had to do is I had to get a 3/4 adapter. So it's gonna screw on the end of the hose, and then on the end of the water pump. Got water pumps going. Kind of had to use this to prevent the hole from kinking. And this is what it looks like.
I was expecting a little more water pressure.
All I gotta do is make some small adjustments. So what I did, I turned off this pipe, or I turned off this hose, and we have just this one running. That one sprinkler took off. Look how fast this one sprinkler is going. This one I turned off. But this one is the only one running, and look at how fast it's going. So I'm thinking it works better with one hose connected. Maybe I might have to get another water pump.
First cut 1 month later. Check out the rims on this machine. After the cut. A job well done. I'm now a certified grassman.